I'm Hollie Ferguson. I'm a process engineering technician apprentice at Advanced Electric Machines. I started at East Durham College in home education. When I finished there after my GCSEs, I started at the Technical Academy as an engineer. I did a level 3 diploma in mechanical engineering. After I finished my level 3, I started my HNC in mechanical engineering level 4. After that, I got an interview at Advanced Electric Machines looking for an apprenticeship. I had the interview and it went very well. I had to do many assessments and I got the job, and now I work here as a process engineering technician. I decided to start in engineering because I think I learned the statistics of it actually, to the percentage of women that's in engineering at the time, and I'm pretty sure it was 30% around the world, and a lot of them was desk jobs, like office jobs and things like that. And I thought, well, I'm going to do it. I'm going to try.
So I'm Mike O'Neill, I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Advanced Electric Machines. We started the business just over 5 years ago now. It was a spin-out business from Newcastle University, and we started with 4 blokes in a shed effectively, which was the 2 founding directors, myself and our first employee. And then since then we've grown from 4 people up to approximately 70 people where we are today. I think it's important that everybody should really look to take apprentices on, because you've got the next generation coming through, and where we're at, we're a new business, we're a startup business, and it's great to think that we can bring people into the business now who will stay with the business for many years in the future, who can say I started with the AEM at the very outset, at the very beginning. We basically been looking for an apprentice, and we kind of put the apprentices through some testing. And to be honest, I wasn't particularly enthused by the results that we're getting from some of the other candidates who had applied. So when Hollie applied, I had a chat with her. She was very enthusiastic, as I say. We put her through the same tests, and she came up with a very good score, very high score, and was very enthusiastic about wanting to be part of Advanced Electric Machines. So for me, it was really a black and white case of kind of, yep, this is the right person for the job.
So I started not thinking I would be any good, and I fell in love with it. And I couldn't imagine myself doing anything else.